Welcome back, hackers, to eHacker Army. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing army of ethical hackers. In today's video, I'll show you how to start your journey in bug bounty hunting, finding vulnerabilities and earning rewards, all legally and ethically. So, let's dive in. Before we jump into bug bounty programs, the first step is to build your skill set. To be a successful bug hunter, you need to master 3 things: web application security, networking basics, and reconnaissance techniques. Grab a solid foundation from resources like OWASP Top 10, watch tutorials from channels like Live Overflow, and practice on platforms like Hack the Box or TryHackMe. This will be your launchpad. Once you've got the basics covered, it's time to set up your toolbox. Every bug bounty hunter's arsenal should include a proxy tool like Burp Suite for inspecting and manipulating traffic. And of course, don't forget tools like Nmap for scanning, SQL Map for SQL injections, and Sublist 3R for reconnaissance. Next, choose the right platform to start hunting. For beginners, I recommend HackerOne and BugCrowd. They have a lot of public programs that welcome new hackers. Remember, finding the bug is only half the battle. You need to communicate it clearly. A good report should have vulnerability type, steps to reproduce, impact analysis, and potential fixes. And hey, here's an important point. Bug bounty is a marathon, not a sprint. You may not find your first bug right away, and that's okay. Keep learning, keep trying, and celebrate every small victory. The more time and effort you put in, the better you'll become. So keep at it, stay curious, and never give up. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to eHacker Army. Until next time, happy hacking. Bye-bye.